When summer heat hits Cedar Rapids, a reliable air conditioner is essential for comfort. Novak Heating and Cooling has been helping local families stay cool since 1934, offering expert air conditioning installation and service you can trust. As a family-owned business and the only Carrier factory-authorized dealer in the area, Novak Heating and Cooling is committed to quality and customer satisfaction. Our certified technicians are highly trained, and we provide transparent pricing so you always know what to expect. From your first consultation to final testing, Novak makes air conditioning installation seamless. We assess your home, recommend the best energy-efficient system, and handle every detail with care. After installation, we show you how to use your new AC for optimal comfort. Novak offers a range of cooling solutions, including central air conditioners, heat pumps for year-round comfort, and ductless mini splits for homes without ductwork. We help you choose the perfect system based on your needs, budget, and home layout. Worried about cost? Novak provides specials, rebates, and guidance on tax credits to make installation affordable. Plus, our ongoing maintenance and repair services keep your system running efficiently for years to come.